Okay, y'all, another short clip. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's like snowing harder now than it was earlier when I came out. I mean, this is unbelievable. That's my brother's car right there. When they first came out this morning, they wiped the hood off. It's only been like about an hour and a half ago, and it's already covered. This is, I don't know if you can see it, this snow is actually blowing sideways. And they're still saying we're under blizzard conditions. This is just unbelievable, you guys. I know for some of you, you're probably like, oh, big deal. Yeah, this is a big deal down here. All right, later.